If you're in the UK and struggling with a health condition that affects your ability to work, you might be eligible for financial support from the Department for Work and Pensions, DWP. The Employment and Support Allowance, ESA, provides up to £300 a month to help those with serious health conditions manage their living costs. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about this benefit, including the conditions that qualify, how to apply, and what to expect from the process. If you find this information helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates on benefits, financial support, and government schemes that can help improve your quality of life. The Employment and Support Allowance, ESA, is a financial support program designed for individuals who cannot work or have limited work capacity due to a health condition or disability. It was introduced as a replacement for the older incapacity benefit and income support on the grounds of disability. The goal of ESA is to ensure that people who are unable to earn a living due to their health challenges are not left struggling without financial assistance. This benefit is particularly crucial for individuals who may not qualify for other types of support, such as universal credit, but still need a reliable source of income to cover essential expenses. To be eligible for ESA, you must be under the state pension age and have a medical condition or disability that significantly impacts your ability to work. There are two types of ESA: contribution-based and income-related. Contribution-based ESA is available to those who have paid enough national insurance contributions in the past, whereas income-related ESA is for individuals with low income and savings. The introduction of universal credit has led to some changes in how ESA is awarded, but those who are already receiving ESA before the transition can continue to do so. The assessment process for ESA involves determining the extent of your condition and its impact on your ability to work. The Work Capability Assessment, WCA, is a critical step in this process. During the assessment, healthcare professionals evaluate your medical condition, considering both physical and mental health aspects. The outcome of this assessment determines whether you qualify for ESA, and, if so, whether you'll be placed in the Work-Related Activity Group, WRAG, or the Support Group. Individuals in the WRAG are expected to take steps toward returning to work in the future, while those in the Support Group receive higher payments and have no work-related requirements. DWP has identified 23 specific health conditions that may qualify individuals for ESA. These conditions are considered severe enough to impact an individual's ability to work, and those diagnosed with them may automatically qualify for financial support. The list includes serious physical conditions such as cancer, undergoing treatment, multiple sclerosis, motor neuron disease, severe heart and lung diseases, and severe forms of arthritis. Additionally, mental health conditions like schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, and severe depression are also included, as they can significantly impair an individual's ability to maintain regular employment. If you have one of these conditions and need financial support, applying for ESA can be a crucial step. The application process begins with completing a form available through the government website or by contacting Job Centre Plus. Alongside the application, medical evidence from your doctor, specialist, or hospital consultant is essential to support your claim. This evidence may include medical records, test results, and statements from healthcare professionals detailing how your condition affects your daily life and ability to work. Once your application is submitted, you may be asked to attend a work capability assessment. While some applicants with severe or terminal conditions may be exempt from this assessment, most will be required to undergo this evaluation. The assessment includes a questionnaire and a face-to-face or virtual meeting with a healthcare professional who assesses your physical and mental capabilities. Based on the findings, the DWP will determine whether you qualify for ESA and, If so, which group you will be placed in. If you are placed in the support group, you will receive higher payments, up to £300 per month, and will not be required to take steps toward employment. This is because individuals in this group are considered to have severe health conditions that make returning to work unlikely. On the other hand, those in the work-related activity group receive a lower amount and are expected to engage in activities aimed at improving their employability. Receiving ESA does not necessarily prevent you from working entirely. Some individuals may still engage in what is known as permitted work, which allows them to work limited hours without losing their ESA entitlement. However, strict guidelines determine the number of hours and income allowed under this provision. It is essential to report any work activity to the DWP to avoid any issues with your benefits. If you are already receiving ESA, regular reassessments may be required to determine whether your condition has improved or worsened. These reassessments ensure that individuals receiving benefits are still eligible and receiving the correct amount. The frequency of reassessments depends on the severity of your condition, with some individuals receiving reassessments every few years and others being placed in long-term support without regular reviews. Appealing an ESA decision is an option if you believe you have been wrongly denied the benefit or placed in the incorrect category. If your claim is rejected, you can request a mandatory reconsideration, which involves having your case reviewed by a different decision maker. If the reconsideration does not change the outcome, you can appeal to a tribunal. Seeking advice from welfare rights organizations or legal aid services can be beneficial during this process. Understanding the financial aspects of ESA is important for those relying on it for their livelihood. The amount received varies depending on factors such as age, group placement, and whether the claim is based on income or contributions. In addition to standard ESA payments, individuals in the support group may also qualify for the Enhanced Disability Premium, which provides additional financial assistance. It's also worth exploring other benefits you may be entitled to while receiving ESA. For instance, individuals with disabilities or long-term illnesses may qualify for Personal Independence Payment, PIP, which is designed to help with extra costs associated with daily living and mobility needs. Additionally, individuals on income-related ESA may also be eligible for housing benefit, council tax reduction, and other financial support programs. Staying informed about changes in government policies and benefit updates is crucial, as regulations can change over time. Keeping in touch with support organizations and checking the official government website regularly can help you stay updated on any modifications to ESA rules and payments. For those struggling with a serious health condition, applying for ESA can be a lifeline. The process may seem complex, but with the right information and preparation, you can navigate it successfully. Whether you qualify under the 23 listed conditions or another medical issue that affects your work capability, knowing your rights and options is essential. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on benefits, financial assistance, and government programs. We regularly provide insights into how you can access the support you need to improve your quality of life. Also, feel free to leave any questions in the comments below, and we'll do our best to provide the answers you need.